Hello, my name is Ray Gibson and I am Vice President of Engineering at CrowdVision Inc. My team and I work with various sensors to do crowd analytics in large spaces. When we combine multiple angles and sensors together, we can generate a very detailed 3D point cloud of the space. It's a very high bandwidth operation, which makes Verizon 5G an excellent choice for pushing that bandwidth up. The accuracy of the sensors that we use allows us to provide several useful analytics. This range from occupancy, how many people are in a space, flows, how many people went through a certain doorway, wait times for lines, and also social distancing, where we can measure the exact space between people and get an understanding of how well the crowds are applying social distancing. With this information, we can then help the customer load balance. Maybe the restroom line here is really long, but if you go upstairs, you won't have a wait. Maybe you can go to a different concession stand. Maybe you can go through a different security checkpoint line. One of the biggest challenges to getting our product installed is the vast infrastructure requirement. Typically, we require miles of Ethernet cable, racks full of servers and things. Being able to use Verizon 5G and AWS Wavelength to do that processing and that backbone significantly opens up the opportunities of the places and the locations that you might be able to place equipment. So far, we've seen some really great results using the 5G technology combined with AWS Wavelength. We see a bright future where we are deploying at venues around the country and using our data to help the venues reopen safely.